Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox. Please confirm your identity error. To start this tutorial, open your settings application in your mobile device. Once you are here, look for apps. Once you find apps, wait for it to load. In here, you can scroll down or use the search bar to look for Roblox. Once you find Roblox, tap on it. In here, click on Storage. Then, clear data. Once done, close settings this time. In here, you're going to open and locate your Play Store, and then search for Roblox. Once you find Roblox, in this case, you're either going to update, reinstall, or re-download the application. Once done, click on Play. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.